Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color to blue, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the home button again to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon to disable it, and then press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So we can press the home button and then press it again to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here we have the Do Not Disturb mode option, tap on it, and we have the Do Not Disturb mode whole day. And you can also turn it on for the, or rather turn on schedule for it. So it's gonna be turning on automatically and turning off automatically. And to do that, tap on Do Not Disturb mode time period. And now we can set the start time, so basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. You can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. This is quite tedious, as you can see, because it skips only 1 minute, even though I swipe quite hard. So it's gonna take some time. Once you're done, set the end time. And as you can see, here we have it. It's gonna be turning on at 5:20 AM and turning off at 11:58 PM. And if you want to disable the schedule, you simply tap on it again right here to disable it. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap, or rather press the home button quite a few times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.